Stay to the left.
Yeah, I know, I'm staying to the left. So we are here in Viana. So, yeah. I don't know this this area. Oh, it's beautiful and it's clean, totally. So you can see here, the people is yeah, always here in the sun. Run more. It's nice. Huh? I think they have an event later here. So silip tayo dito sa fountain nila. Nice fountain. Pwede kong maligo. Magdadala ka lang ng sabon. And it's not allowed here. I'm only joking. So it's nice. Yeah. So we have a little bit tour here in the city of Vienna. So you can see there's a lot of Harry Potters here. That's not. Looks like only. So this, I think, the historical monument here. Oh, wow! Yeah, refreshing the water. Going in my face. So, yeah, cannot go there. A lot of people, but always they have a flower for 80 years. Okay. I think 80. You will see that. So you can translate in English. So, I have a newlywed here a while ago, and a newlywed wedding. He is from Singapore, and I said I have a cousin in Singapore. These two is walking in the train too, and Asian. I think he's doing a pictorial now. That's nice. Yeah, this newlywed, sir.
Hey, thank you.
Nice, nice. So, always smiling when you see an Asian here in the Vienna. Laging nakatawa. So, we continuing now our walking. Lakad-lakad. Okay lang dito kahit mainit eh. Hindi masakit yung araw sa balat. Pero kailangan mo mag-lotion. Importante para hindi nagda-dry skin mo. Iba kasi talaga yung klema rin dito. Waiting. silip ulit ng konti. Pero this one, I don't want to show this, but I don't know. Tagal ah. Sa Pilipinas pwede ka nang tumawid ng ganito eh. Hindi, joke lang. Lahat dito may rules, so respect the rules. Yun, let's go na. Let's go! Oh, they have a lot of, oh, they have a church there. Okay, may simbahan din, and old simbahan. So continue our walk. Lakad-lakad every time. So we're here. I don't know where we are now. Basta lakad-lakad lang. There's not a lot of people here taking a camera, so dito talaga sa Vienna, mix ang makikita nyong tao na sobrang daming tiga Middle East. Kasi dito often para sa kanila magpunta dito kasi may gera din. So may nakita ako isang basura. So we're walking straight. Diretso lang ang lakad. Ito sa Manila, naglalakad ako pero hindi ganito. Hindi sa wala akong pamasahe pero gusto ko maglakad. Diba? Hindi, totoo niyan talaga wala akong pamasahe. Kaya naglalakad ako. Ay, hirap ng buhay dito sa Vienna, sa Austria. Kailangan mo maglakad ng maglakad. Waiting. Hindi ako makapag-live. Wala akong load. Please, bigyan niyo naman ako ng load. kaya binibidyo footage ko na lang. Ito, makukumpara ko sa Maynila eh. Dami nakaparking. Illegal parking. Ito.
In 1 kilometer, stay to the right to B227 over a Weisgerberstrasse.
Sorry. I'm wrong. I'm in the bike lane. So, naglalakad nga naman ako sa bike lane. Mali ako. Stop again. Teka, maganda dun ah. Parang maganda dun sa looban. So, dun tayo galing. Oh, lapit. So, lakad na again. Mamaya, continue natin itong pag-video footage natin dito sa Dena. Ang paglalakad. Yan, historical. Ang paglalakad. Pagka wala kang pera. So, puputulin ko muna pang samantala. Diba? Duduktungan ko na lang uli mamaya.